boarding. Captain has requested that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until he has parked the aircraft at the gate. At that time, you will turn the seatbelt sign off. That is your final indication. It's safe to get up to gather your personal belongings. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until any gate check bags, the bags with blue tags that you left here at the door of the plane will be brought up here to you. You need to remember to pick up that bag before you enter into the terminal. All other bags that you check will be at the ticket counter will be at customs. You do need to claim all the other bags, even if you have a connecting flight in customs. And as soon as you finish customs, then your bags will be rechecked for any connecting flight. Cell phones are permitted at this time. I need everybody seated, stay seated, with your seatbelt fastened. On behalf of your Houston-based ExpressJet crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing our airline and see you again very soon. As I said, cell phones are permitted at this time.
Ladies and gentlemen, just to let you know what's going on, we did have a minor problem with our landing gear when it did come down. Everything is normal right now. We're just making sure everything is going to be safe to taxi back into the ramp area right now. That was our biggest concern, and just to be extra safe, we had we told the tower, and they actually had the fire trucks come out, and that's why you see them right now, probably around the airplane. Everything's normal. There is nothing to worry about. It's going to be just a short delay getting to the ramp area. So if anything changes, we'll let you know. We should be moving here in just a couple of minutes, and again, nothing to worry about. So thank you for your patience, and if anything changes, we'll let you know what's going on. Thank you.